Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment, YouTube questions and topics. The informations of this video are from Google search and regendus.com. Our topic for today is fix your YouTube thumbnail error by installing VPN. One of the reasons you experience thumbnail error is the DNS server error, or your country does not have access to rights to YouTube video. You can install a free VPN or premium version. Just download it at the Google Play Store. But if you use a VPN to fix YouTube thumbnail error, then there is a chance that the thumbnail disappear if you will not use VPN. So there is an advantage and disadvantage if you use VPN. So this is where I got the reference of this video from Google search and regendus.com. More power, God bless, and a million thanks to all my channel members. They are Jeneline Mix Blog, Katoto Kamotur Vlog, Ganya Official, Roots Joel, Mirasol Idlon TV, Angie TV, and Bert Lambujo. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.